Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall a door lock switch on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. All right, we're going to remove this cover right here. This is for the switch for the mirrors. And I'm just going to use a trim tool. Just go behind here, pop this out. Just like that. To disconnect the mirror switch, just push down right here, slide that out. Next I'm going to take a pick tool. We just want to take this cover off behind the inside door handle. I'm just going to pull it forward, pull that cover off. Next we're going to take this screw out. We're going to use a T30 socket extension and a ratchet. Take that screw out. There's a little cover that's right here. We're just going to remove that. Use a little pick tool, slide underneath here, pull it out. Next is a screw down here. Just going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take this screw out. Take that screw out. There's some screws along here on the side right there. So take those two screws out. Just use the Phillips head screwdriver. There's another screw that's right here on the front of the door. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take this one out. So I'm going to take a trim tool. Now normally you pry underneath here, pry up here, and then pry up here. This vehicle has two clips right here and right here. And on this vehicle these clips are broken, so normally you would have to struggle a little bit more to get this piece off, but just keep in mind this goes straight up. Take those clips off. I can disconnect the electrical connectors right here. Just push on this tab, slide it out. Push on this tab, slide it out. Now I'm just going to take a trim tool, go in between the door panel, just pry out. There's clips all around the door holding it on. Just like that. Should be able to grab the door panel and just slide up. There's a cable that's attached right here to the front. Just gonna slide this out. Just like that. And then slide the cable up. Slide the retainer out. And then there's a connector right here. Just disconnect this connector. Just push the tab and slide it down. On the back side of the door panel, there's these two little tabs. Push on these two little tabs right here. Then we're going to push this piece through, slide it out, just like that. I'm going to take this lock switch off of this housing. I'll just use a 90-degree pick. I'm going to put a little pressure on the button while I get in behind here, release the lock, right there. And then there's another lock right here on the side. And then there's another lock on the back side. Try not to break the plastic. There we go. One left. And there's the lock switch. Now we'll take this door lock switch. We're going to install it in this housing. Just want to line it up. There's a little tab right here that goes with that. Set that in position. just lock it in place. Now this can slide back into the door panel. Just slide it on like that. This side has to go in first and then lock it down in place. All right, we'll take this door panel. We're gonna slide these wires through here, or at least get them in that area. Reconnect this electrical connector for the door locks. Line that up, lock it in place. And we'll take this. I want to get this little retainer through the slot right here, just like that. And then we're gonna slide this cable to the side and then lock it in right there, just like that. We'll take the door panel, make sure those wires are right there. Take this lock rod. You want this lock rod on here. Line that up. And then with the top, make sure you pull that wiring harness out. The top of the door panel, we want to slide into place up here. That looks good. Then we'll get the door pins to line up all the way around. Just apply a little pressure. Just like that. I'll take this screw, use a T30 socket, extension and a ratchet, tighten this up. Snug that down, not too tight because it is plastic. Take this little cover, this is gonna line up in here. And just press it in place, just like that. Right, now we're gonna install these 3 screws. There's 2 on the back side here. 1 goes on the front side right here. Just take a Phillips head screwdriver. Get this started right here. Before I tighten it up, I'm just gonna get them all started. Right, those are all started, so now I'll snug them down. Reinstall this trim piece, take the electrical connectors, line them up, lock it in place, just like that. Then there's some tabs that should be right here. On this vehicle, they broke off. They go right there, so you're gonna wanna line those up. And then with them lined up, just push it down. Then we'll take this Phillips head screw and a screwdriver and get that started. Now we'll take this cover, slide it into position. Now we'll take the electrical connector, get this lined up, lock that down, and then line these 2 tabs up. Retainers. You might have to pull this out a little bit. Right there. Lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.